is question number 2. It's exercise 7A, book 2, 8th edition. In a bookstore, 60 identical books occupy a length of 1.5 meter on a shelf. Find the length occupied by 50 such books on a shelf. So move books in a bookstore. What is given? 60 identical books is occupy the space of, I am writing book and space they occupy. Okay, so books are 60. I am writing 60 over here, and the length of the shelf is 1.5 meters. Okay, notice the units. Please notice the unit because unit may change. The length occupied by 50 such books on a shelf. So see over here, they are asking, in there it is given that 60 books occupy 1.5. Now they are asking for the space occupied by 50 such books. So if we have to find out, so we'll take x over here and we have to cross multiply both of them. Okay, so when we multiply 60 by x, we get 60x, and if we'll multiply 50 by 1.5, so we will get 75. And to find out the value of x, x is multiplied by 60 over here. On the other side, it would be divided. So x is equals to 75 divided by 60. And if we'll solve, for example, we can solve it by the 15th table. 5 upon 4. So it would be 1.25. X is equals to 1.25. So the space occupied, the value of x over here is 1.25. Again, you notice that this is a direct proportion. When one value decreases, other value also decreases. Here it was 1.5, now it is 1.25. The books were 60 and now they are 50. So the value of x is 1.25. Now move to the second part. The number of such books needed to occupy a shelf that is 80 centimeter long. I told you, just notice about the units. Here it is 80 centimeter, but in the question it is given 1.5 meter. So I am writing over here books and the space occupied. In the question it is given that the total books are 60 and the space they occupy is 1.5. You know, I'm working over here. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and if we'll take 80 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 80 centimeter is equals to how much meter? So we will take 0.8 meter. If we divide 80 by 100, so you know these are the two zeros, and whenever we divide, we have to jump on the left side. 1 0 and 2 0. 2 0 means 2 jump. Here in the 80 there was no point, it means it is at the end, and if we will take 2 jumps, we will find point over here. So we will take 0 before the point because there is always any number before the point, and if there is no number we can add 0. 0.8 meters. So we will write 80 in place of 80 centimeter. We will write 0.8 meter because we have converted in the same unit. Otherwise, we will not get the correct answer. And we have to find out the number of books. So I am writing x over here. To find out the value, I have to do the cross multiplication. Again, you notice that this is a direct proportion. If we will multiply 1.5 by x, we will get 1.5. X is equals to 60 multiplied by 0.8. So x is equals to 48. And to find out the value of x, 1.5 is multiplying over here. I haven't written 1.5 over here because यहाँ 1.5 multiply हो रहा है, on the other side it get divided, so we will write 1.5 over here. So the final value of x would be 32. X is equals to, it's mean the value of x over here is 32. So again you notice that the books were 60, so the space was 1.5. The space decreased to 0.8, so the books also decreased to 32. It's mean this is a direct proportion. So this was question number 2. Thanks for watching my video.